Hi there, I'm Ranjan from Blogger Web Service. In this video, I want to show you that how I can transcribe any MP3 or any recordings that I receive from my clients on WhatsApp very easily, locally on my computer. So this is a recording that my clients has sent to me today. So it is a .ogg file, and I'm going to transcribe this MP3 or the recording that I have received on WhatsApp in my computer. So this is my comment prompt. You can open it very easily in Windows computer, so by pressing Command R and then CMD. So this is the, you can also call it terminal, and here I will write some command, and it will transcribe the MP3 file or the recording that you have received. So the reason I need to transcribe it, because if I have the transcription, I can easily provide it to any AI tool, and I can prepare a proposal or prepare a response very quickly rather than thinking about it and planning about it. So to create this transcription, I have used few softwares, and I have taken all these instructions from ChatGPT. So the softwares I have used is Python, openai-whisper, which is the main software here, then Torch, then ffmpeg. So these are the minimum requirements that you need. And now I'm going to write the command that will transcribe it. So the prompt is the code is Python -m whisper, and then you have to write the file name. In my case, it is file.ogg, and I have to write in which language it is. So it is in English. Language English, and then which model I am going to use. So I'm going to use a small model. Enter. So now it is processing the file, and it will create the transcription for me. Alright, I have received the error. The reason is the file location is different. Let me enter into the download folder, so which is CD downloads. So sorry, I need to enter into the download folder, and I need to run the same command. So previously I was not in the download folder, and the file was there, and you can see the processing is started, and AP16 is not supported on CPU, so they are using AP32 instead. So which is the software I have downloaded? Let me show you. So this is the software ffmpeg, which has this. So AP16, it has 3 of them. I'm not sure how it is being used, but because I didn't download it before, it was not working. Then ChatGPT suggested me to download this software, and you can see now this has started transcribing the audio file. So client is saying, hi Ranjan, I hope you are okay. I just wanted to run something with you. So yeah, if the performance on my dental practice is okay, but if you feel like it will improve performance, give us more information. If you had full tracking, just give me an update on that, let me know. I mean, it's okay for me. We are averaging about 7-8 bookings a day. Before we averaging about 8-9, sometimes we get close to 10. So the client is talking about the number of bookings he's getting now. So this is the transcription, and I can send this transcription to my team if I need to delete a few lines. If it is like, something confidential, I don't want to share it with my team, I can delete from here, and I don't have to share the entire recording when when the client is telling me something which can be something confidential.
Hi Ranjan, I hope
I
you're
don't
okay.
want
Just
to
want to
share the
mention
entire
another
thing with my
the
team,
performance
so
on my
that
dental
is
practice
another
is
reason.
okay. But
So this
if
is
you
the
feel like it
audio
would improve
actually what
performance
I
if
have
there's more
received.
information, if you had full tracking, just give me an update on that.
And actually the performance is very nice. We are running running that for I think more than 1 year now. So if you have like this video I created totally for internal use, so in future if I forget about how I did it in a local computer, this will be a backup video for me, and I'm going to upload it in my channel. Thank you for watching. If you think it is helpful, you can comment, like,